here's a pro tip on a Friday for you. If you're opening up an isolation valve, don't open it up 100% and leave it like that. Open it up 100% and then back it off 3 turns. You don't want to leave the isolation valve in the complete open position, because then the seals can get stuck like that and it won't close. You also want to make sure you exercise your isolation valves from time to time, because if you don't, they will seize, and then you'll have to dig them up and replace them. And in most cases, these suckers are down there like 4, 6, 8 feet deep. Let's play a little game. Let's see how long it takes for me to fix that line leak. It's 9:21 now. All right, there's the repair, and it's 9:34. You'll notice that there's a little bit of extra blue glue here, and that's because I was going to use a bell end, but I didn't end up using a bell end because the bell end didn't work out. No slip fix, by the way. All right, on to the next one.